Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this disentanglement puzzle that I just made. This puzzle is known as the Eureka or Wit's End and was invented in 1968 by Robert Baumhauer. This is the original version in which the thread only goes once through this hole, and the modern version that you can get nowadays commercially available, the thread goes 2 times around the hole, not just one, which makes it much more difficult to solve. However, we will see first how to solve the original version. This puzzle is historically important because many of the modern puzzles are based on the topology of the Eureka puzzle. So if you learn to solve this one, it will be easier for you to solve other modern puzzles. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLC PCB. JLC PCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. These are the materials that I used to make the toy: a pair of wooden pieces, these also wood circles, a ring, metal ring, these 2 spheres with a hole in the center from a bracelet, and some thread. Okay, solving the puzzle means that you must take out the metal ring. You can move it upwards and this little ball can go through the ring, but the wooden circle cannot. Therefore, it is not that simple. So let me show you the solution. Once you see the solution, it looks very simple, but if you don't know it, it is not that simple as usual. So the first step is to take the wooden circle and pass it through the hole. Now you have this. Take the ring, move it upwards and make it go like this. Now you have it on the other side. Move it through the hole and then there it is. Okay? So the puzzle is solved. Now, in order to put it back where it goes, you basically go forwards, take the ring and move it to the other side. Now put the ball here and put the ring. There it is. Okay, that is the solution of this famous puzzle. You can make your own or you can buy it. In a forthcoming video, I will show you the solution of the more complex version that has the loop here. Thanks for your visit. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next one.